All right, everybody, it's time for our Monday meal. Happy President's Day, those of us that are in the U.S. Um, we have got for you a slow cooker lasagna recipe. It's coming from the All Recipes Dinner Spinner app, but I'm not doing it at all, the sauce anyway, like they did it. So you can see the ingredients. I'll put a link below. But they use like tomatoes and tomato sauce and tomato paste and all that stuff. I just decided to go with already done Prego traditional sauce that already has garlic and onion and tomatoes and all that stuff in it. It's a little bit more than what they made. They probably made like 30 something ounces. This is 42, but close enough. 45, I don't know, it's not like that. Anyway, so this is a pound of ground meat. So I got a pound of ground deer in there that I cooked, and then I cooked it with some onion. And then it called for a couple of teaspoons of minced garlic, so I put those in there as well, even though the sauce has garlic, and it tastes really good. I've tried it. And so you just heat all that up, and then you pour the sauce in and heat it through till it's cooked, which ours is now. Then you get your slow cooker, you spray it with some olive oil spray like I did, and then we're gonna layer everything in there, starting with the sauce, then our noodles, which is the tinkignata brown rice, gluten-free noodles. And then if you have to break the noodles to fit them, you can. But when you do the layer, it's a layer of the meat sauce, double layer of the noodles, then the cheese mixture. So we have half a cup of Follow Your Heart dairy-free Parmesan cheese. We have a full container of the Daiya Deliciously Dairy-Free plant-based cream cheese. This was supposed to be either ricotta or cottage cheese, but I don't like the non-dairy versions of those, so I just used cream cheese and broke it up. And then we have the full bag here of the So Delicious dairy-free plant-based mozzarella style shreds. It called for 16 ounces, so 2 cups. That's what's in here. Then I mixed it together in this bowl, and this will be the cheese mixture that we put in our cheese layer. So meat layer, double layer of pasta noodles, cheese layer, and then redo till you run out of ingredients. So I'm going to work on that and come back. Okay, so I've done my layers. It is a layer of the meat mixture, then double layer of the noodles, then a layer of cheese. So it's 2 of all of that. And it's in here in the slow cooker, set on low. They said 4 to 6 hours, but a lot of people said it really depends on your slow cooker. And if it cooks faster, then it's short. And if not, then it's longer. But most people said check it after 4 hours. So that's what we're going to do. And I'll let you know. All right, guys, it's been about 4.5 hours and it is done. And probably was done at like 4 hours, but it looks delicious. So this is our slow cooker lasagna from the All Recipes Dinner Spinner app for our Monday meal. Enjoy.